Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can report a Pinterest profile. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest tab on your device. Now, tap on the search icon and then search for the person you want to block. Now, tap on their profile. After that, you can see a three dots icon beside the follow option. Tap on it and then select on the report button. Now, select the reason you want to block the person for and then finally tap on the report button. And that's it. This is how you can report a Pinterest profile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.